Hey, cool boy, we're back here on Bridge Off Road. Oh shit, no. Today I'm in a Ford or Chevy, I don't know. But yeah, we're in Bridge Off Road. I don't know how to say it, but if you just you know what to do. Fuck. That's first flip of the day. So far I have this and then a rock called Oh shit. Actually, I'm gonna do that now. That way I can. Oh shit, we don't have enough. What the? So how skinny can I go? Shit. I need it like that. I'm gonna do some damn trail. Alright, so today we're not gonna be. Yeah, we're gonna be mostly using this. This thing's maxed out. But yeah. I kinda maxed this out, but yeah. Damn. Boy, you big. The thing flex though. The thing flex. Let's do this one. Oh shit. There goes the roof. This thing sounds rough as fuck. I gotta change that. I'm gonna find somewhere to change that. Oh! I'm wheeling the Jeep. What the was that? By the way, if you want me to do face cam, just tell me. I got no problem doing face cam. But yeah, if you want me to do face cam, tell me to do that. I like doing these because they pay more. Up with the damn fuck. Alright, well, there goes the damn apple. Oh, really? Okay, looks like we're wincing our way out of this one. Those boys are always using me. I will get this thing up right. Either way. Hey, there's a way to climb up the damn wall. Hey, here's another one from Pete, right? Alright, now comes the fun part. We gotta do this way. I can do this very carefully. Now, if this happens, I'm gonna be fucking stuck. Here we go with the road. By the way, my check didn't save. I switched over phone, so on Awkward Outlaws. What the fuck? I got a red for you. I made that for my sister. Here we go again with the damn flipping. Only good thing about this. It's not like the damn spoiler, so I can fucking flip. There we go. Baller. More vlogging and gaming. Just tell me. Out of 70, you got me fucked up. This sucks. That's a donkey. All I gotta do is get out of this, and then I'm good. Now I see why it's 2,000. Oh, yes, baby. Alright, all you gotta do is get it. Come on. By the way, I only haven't been taking videos because my phone doesn't like it playing here, so I got a new one right now. That's why I'm making a new one. Edge, mother. Motherfucker. By the way, I got this one maxed out on everything. Really. That's my little brother. Get in, or if you have Riley, you're not going outside. Alright, now. All we gotta do is be careful. All we gotta do, and then we're good. By the way, if you didn't see, if you just passed by to me getting into the building part, this thing drifts.
I don't know how to do that. Also, a message light comes.
You know, if I fall off this, I'm pretty much. I have never done this in life. Mom. Mom.
Okay, so I will pop both of them out.
By the way, if you want me to change the color of both of them, tell me what color. And then I will do the very first color. Girl colors, please. Any color. If there's a girl watching, not to be rude. Actually, yeah, some girl colors can come on. If you, anytime the very first person that comments, I will do that color. Actually, no. The most people that comment that color, I will comment the color. I will do that color. Mother. I gotta climb up that. Okay. I'm done here. I have never done this in a fucking game. Damn it, why won't you flip? There's no way I'm getting up there. I'm gonna try going around back. This is getting on my nerves. Spider-Man. Okay, calm down. Okay, calm down. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Dude, this car needs to calm the fuck down. Fuck, man. Bitch, you too. Oh, can I climb this? Batman, man. Man, this is bold. Oh, hell no. That shit. Hell to the no. Woo! Are we really doing this again? No, shit. Hell no. Hell nah. Fuck that shit. Time to rock crawl, baby. These aren't hard to get up at all. By the way, if you want me to do more Avatar, then if you want me to do any more videos or download any games, just tell me, and I'll do them. I'm doing this back there. This is easier back there. Oh shit. No, it's not. I want to flip me the fuck back around. That's cool. You know what? I'm fucking We got it, man. I'm seeing this shit. Alright, we going this way, man. Oh shit. I'm gonna just myself. Dead, 30. Yeah. Now we can go build the truck up.
You don't have to approve games that we want to download.
Yes, I do.
Why?
That's what it does.
Your Chromebook is charging, Austin. Button 6. Right there.
Hold on. There.
I'm a fire.
Fireball.
Okay, now this thing's tall as still gotta fucking pump up the damn brakes, really.
Put on your coats.
Oh yeah, that's right. What the hell? Actually, I want to go to Flatburn.
This is just our first.
Should we go? Oh, what the? Oh hell. That might be a problem. Yeah, that might be a problem. Yeah, these wheels gotta go out really bad. These wheels gotta go out really, really bad. They gotta go like that. Or like that. Nah, like that.
Is your hair two-tone like that? That's sexy as hell.
Really?
I don't know, Sarah. It just asks me that. Whatever.
Or
Oh well. Oh well.
that might work. I don't know. We're gonna f***ing try it though. Holy damn thing wheelies. Oh, this thing likes to bounce. Oh! It pops wheelies. Yo! I got a wheeling 3-door Ford. Yo! I wasn't expecting that. Bruh. What the f? Yo, I was not expecting that. Yo, I gotta watch this from here. Oh my god. Bro. I saw this on YouTube. Now I can do. Oh wait, can I do a nose wheelie? I can. Ooh. I've never been able to do a nose wheelie before. Bro, I used to have this in Off-Road Outlaw. Now I got this in freaking... Oh, hell yeah. Now I got two things. Actually, three. I got a wheeling monster. I got a wheeling Ford, 3-door Ford, a mudding Ford, and a freaking rock crawler mudding. That's four, actually. Bro, I am just so proud of myself. Oh hell. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Bro, that's cool. I saw two pretty. I ain't ever saw two pretty stats. I ain't ever saw two pretty stats. Yo, really damn truck. Oh hell yeah. Alright, well that will be it for today, Cool Boys Squad. Girls, stay pretty, boys, stay cool. Peace.